back. Hi, mommy. Hey guys, we're at Yum Cha right now. Later, we're gonna do a family activity. You'll see. Finally got our table. We're gonna start eating. The first thing we have. Oh, this is so yummy. All the yummy food. Come to me. Come to me. Yeah. Getting in everybody's way. We're at a farm. Can you guys see that? Look. It's a horse. There's animals on this farm. You look friendly. Hello, pretty horse. Ooh.
No.
Bye.
Oh,
Oh, there's sheep over there too. Hello. Aww. Sheepy. You want your flower? You want your flower again? You want your flower? Oh, I took it. Is it yummy? What are they doing? They found like a little pulley cart, and now they're pulling all the boys on it. Oh, how cute! So cute. We just got our tickets to go in, and now we're gonna go pick some corn maze. I think there are peaches down there, but they're not ready for picking. And then we just walked by the blueberries. There's so many things. See, this is a map of what we can pick. Look at all those things.
1, 2, 3.
Where? That's a normal one. Alright, another tractor. This goes on for days. This farm is nice. There's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, go.
Today's really hot though.
You want to go all the way down here?
Look, there's some green nets down there. I wonder what that is. Let's go! Woo. It's so sunny! Where's the fam behind us? Hell yeah, they are. Come on, everybody, let's go. Let's go pick peaches. Of course, there's porta potties. How do you think people need to go to the bathrooms? Oh, the peaches are here. Yeah, so there were ripe peaches down here on this hill before. We're in the area where the peaches weren't ripe yet, and they were like hard, but they're still kind of sweet. But we don't want those. We want the ones that are good for picking. My sister and I are being rebellious. We're losing the crowd to pick peaches. I don't know. Oh, losing the crowd. Where are we? Oh, it's so nice here. Oh my God, I knocked into you. Sorry. They're behind us. They're over there. Aw, I liked our little adventure. I mean, peaches should be here.
There's Yoo-hoo.
Vivian, look closely in the trees. There might be some peaches. Mommy, nhập về thấy à? Có dạ, it says right. Oh look, there's someone in the other lane. There's some on the ground. That means there's some here. See, evidence. But we don't want those. Oh, I mean, not for nothing. It'll be fertilizer for the ground, and different animals will eat it. And other animals will decompose it. It'll go back into the ecosystem. Science, everybody. Yay, good job, Vivian. Her first one. Nice.
喺只喺中間嗰度好幾個。
邊度？
嗱呢個中間。
You have to go to the other side.
Okay. Oh, I see them. They're in there.
影相先。
They're down here. Oh, how do I get it?
No beaches on.
I want one. Oh, okay. I hold the lens for you. I want a peach. Oh, those are like little baby ones. I want a good one. Is that a good one? I want a good one. Oh, I'm stepping on peaches. I'm sorry. Ooh, is this good? Oh, it's fuzzy. Ooh. Wow. Okay, not good. That's not blood, I swear. It's the peach juices. Over here. Ooh. Vivian, look! Ooh. Is this one good? Oh, my first one! Huh? Yay! Her first one. This is the one I picked. Mine is sweet and tart. That's good. I know, it's so fuzzy. I love peaches. Oh my god, so cute. Literally, he's not doing anything. The hill is doing all the work. So cute. Hi, Aiden. Say hi to me. Wave. Aiden, wave. So cute. Thanks. There's no corn ripe right now, but behind me is a corn maze. I really want to try it out, but like my family's walking away. I don't think they want to do it. And I want to do the corn maze.
It's too hot, trust me.
But the
Trust
corn
me.
maze.
Trust me.
We'll never be back here ever again, Vivian. So once a lifetime
Usually
chance.
for like the fall.
Fine. Are we coming back for the fall then? This is the promise?
Oh, my backpack was open.
Oops. That's how you lose things on a farm. Oh, it's so nice. So we just saw peaches. We're at the corn. I want to see, there's someone carrying a big box of bell peppers. I really want to see those. They look nice. Nice shape for the bell pepper. And then I think there's potatoes here too. I want to see potatoes. Okay. I'm going to be brave. I'm going to go inside. And miss, please don't be a bug in here. Ow! Ooh, it does kind of hurt. Bye, Vivian. Bye.
Oliva's right by his neck. Yeah. Let me back up so you can see the...
I did it for the vlog. Is that them up there? See, this is what happens. This is what happens when we're taking pictures for too long. The guys just leave us.
Let's go on the side.
The mothers are here.
On this side, like up here.
Where? Oh, here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go
On
ahead.
top of the hill. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, yes. Oh, ah, yes. Dun, 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 dun. Alright? Oh, yes. Oh, ah, yes. Dun, 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 dun. We found apples, but these apples aren't ready. My sister and I tried one, and they're really sour. Oh, but it's really pretty up here. So these whole rows of apples aren't ready. See what I'm seeing? Oh my gosh, we're going downhill again.
His foot's the break. Did you see him? He crashed.
Oh, I got it kind of late, but yeah. Like I admit, today's really beautiful, but it's way too hot to be doing anything out here. All of us are sweating like crazy.
We're having fun though.
Yeah, we're having fun, but we're running low on water. Yeah, I know. See, it's so hot. My sister had to tie her up in a
I
bun.
can't even put my hat on now.
Exactly.
It's like a bun.
Yeah, it looks so funny. Fail. Hổ nguy hiểm噶, 小心啊！啲草慢啲㗎。Where are we going, guys? You know, we have a map, you know. But can anyone tell us how to read this map? It's so crinkly. 去邊啊？
What's happening?
I don't know. They're exploring. We're waiting for the tractor ride to take us to the fields at the end of our little tour. Because we're done walking. Yeah, we're pretty tired. I know. We should pick more stuff again.
This is theirs. We have less than them.
Yeah, we do. The tractor. Watch your step.
Foggy.
Yeah, of course. I want to sit with you, Ivan.
How far should we go?
I guess it doesn't really matter. Okay.
But go closer, go
Oh,
closer.
ow. Vivian. We're on the sunny side, but it's okay. No, it's tomato.
How bumpy the hayride would have been?
I know, right?
Mother went into the corn maze.
Oh yeah. Alright, Vivian, what's your favorite part about today so far?
The peaches.
I like the beaches too.
Yeah.
But I also like the corn maze, even though we didn't go in. We took funny pictures by it. That's why I like it a lot.
America. America.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Vivian, say it one more time. What was it? My sister just said compare the green lush of the corn maze to the dead grass. Actually, no, the grass isn't so bad here. I mean, some of it looks a little dry, but
Oh no, it's pretty good.
look at that box of vegetables. It's not ours. It's someone else on this trolley, but wow, that's beautiful. This is what happens when you're stuck. Cover your face with a hat. Whoa. Oh yeah, the only sunflowers we see today. That is cute. I think we're going back to the marketplace. Our tour is over. Ooh, pretty.
Whoa, they're so hairy. There's a horse. Hello. Their hair is matted.
Cute, you're cute. Be my friend. You are. You do have short legs. Oh, yeah, I think we're all tired. The whole. There is a butterfly. You can't see it though. That's really pretty. Is it true? Is it true? You. Our mom picked some raspberries. Let's go get blackberries. Mommy, 이거 학생꽃이 호요.
Okay.
야야. 어중이 학생꽃이.邊度啊？
我哋圖書館上冇用黑色嘅。
$1. Oh, blackberries. Found them? Dima. These things are like prickling my legs. Okay.
呢啲喺面整嗰啲，哎呀冇㗎，哎呀哎呀哎呀。
Watch your legs. These are spiky, Vivian. These like little branches here. They're kind of sour. Ugh.
好冇營養㗎。
Blackberries.
咁有乜鬼啊？
More blackberries. These are the blackberries that
Well,
Vina. Oh,
I'm
I'm on the little thing that they were on before, the cart. I'm being pulled, guys.
Not a car, it's a wagon.
I'm being pulled on the wagon. I didn't ask for this. I just sat down thinking like, oh, too big for this.
You can move.
I could move. Can't.
Go any further.
It's okay. I'll just do this. I tucked my legs up.
Are you fat?
No, I'm just bigger than you. How dare you call me fat? Vivian, look, I'm on the wagon. 我好重啊，係嘛？Uncle. Oh, this is pretty fun. Oh, black bears my mom got. Ooh, pretty. Nice job, Mom. Ooh, it's so uniform and round. That's crazy. Tomatoes, bell peppers. Are these little eggplants? They look so different. They have stripes on them. Those are eggplants for sure. There's peppers, spicy peppers. Ooh. Is that habanero? Oh my god, those are really spicy. Oh, why? And then there's corn down there too. Look at this corn. Ooh, melons. Got the melon. Onion. Onion. The potatoes. The potatoes. Vivian, I found the potatoes. Where's my sister? Notice me. I found a potato. You proud of me? Hey Vivian, look at this box of onions. One of these things doesn't belong, and look at that. That's just wrong. Who did that? Roy. There's chickens and turkeys though. Hello. Aren't you a beaut? And there's one chilling in the shade behind here. See a cow up close over here. And you can feed them too, but you feed them at your own risk, obviously.
Anya, it's licking me.
Oh, let me see.
Look. The things that have food.
Oh, they're cute.
Sorry, Paris. Actually, don't have food.
Oh, sorry, no food.
Oh
my gosh.
Hello. Oh my God, Snot! Its eye is so big.
Oh.
Whoa, you're so fun. Oh, it's chatting.
Pretty. Vivian, don't do that. Buy food.
I don't know where this is. I don't know.
Right there.
Is it coins?
I think it's coins. And there's a classic cow over here. Oh, you so classic.
Hello.
Oh, you're cute. Oh, that's so nice of you. Give me food. Yum, 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 yum. Delicious, so delicious. Oh my gosh, I almost a carrot.
Actually, black and white.
Vivian, that one has a carrot.
Huh?
How'd you get the carrot?
Where?
The little one, right there, the goat.
Oh.
Oh my god, looks like it's
It's trying
choking.
to get the whole.
Oh my god.
Look at this little
So
one.
ambitious. Yeah, I took a video of that one.
Oh, it has blue eyes. Tanya, look at this one.
Yeah, I know, I saw. Oh, you're pretty. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Stacy, it's a bunny. This is for you, Stacy. Oh my gosh, it won't even focus. Bunny, bunny. Fine, let's go up here. Bunny, hello. Oh, you cute. Are there other bunnies? Probably. What happened? Oh, it's cute. A gazebo?
Oh, it's closed.
How funny. Okay, let's go meet the others.
They're right there. They're buying stuff.
More stuff? We got so much stuff already. Oh, they have plants here that you could buy and spend more money on. Aiden, what kind of ice cream do you have? We'll share some with Vivian. I want peach flavor, Tom. I don't care. I love peach. I share with you. Okay, my sister got us peach. Yeah, it's so good. Oh, get the bottom. It's dripping.
Well, we need a spoon. Huh? Oh, it's so fresh. I think they make it for these peaches.
I know. This is really good. Fun. We're gonna go home now. Bye.